Alright, today I'm going to show you how to download the Vortex Mod Manager. Vortex is the new replacement for the Nexus Mod Manager, so right now it's the easiest method to download mods from the Nexus. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to download that right now. First thing you want to do is go to nexusmods.com and then go up here and click Install Vortex. This is going to take you to the Vortex page, so I'll go ahead and click Vortex File page. Scroll down, click Files. When you download Vortex, you want to make sure it's downloaded on the same drive as all of your games. So I like to go to this custom install location here and click manual download. Click save file. When it's finished downloading, go ahead and click on it and then click yes to allow. It's going to ask for a destination folder. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I find which directory my games are in. So I'll go to this PC. And then I see right here it says D drive is games, and I can see that Steam is in there, so I know my Steam games are downloaded in here. So it's going to want to make a new folder for it, so go ahead and click new folder, and I'm going to name it Vortex, and then click off on it so it's there, then click OK. So it's going to install to that location right there. Now that Vortex is downloaded, I can go ahead and click finish and it's going to open Vortex. First time downloading Vortex, it's going to ask you to log in with your Nexus Mods account. That's completely free. You can just go ahead and go to nexusmods.com, create an account, and then log in here and it should work. It's already recognized that I'm logged in, so I'm just going to skip that step. These messages right here are just, this one up here is just telling me that my old method of mod deployment isn't working. That's just because I've had this downloaded before and it's looking for something that's not there anymore, so I'm just going to click dismiss. And then this message right here you all should get. It says mods can't be deployed. When you click fix, it just tells you, it's just basically telling you that the games aren't fully installed yet and it should appear soon. There's nothing you can do about it. It can't be solved. It'll just work itself out. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. So the first thing you're going to do, it's not going to show any games. Mine's just showing games because I already have games managed, but just go ahead and go down here, click games and discovered, and it should tell you any games that you have downloaded that can be run through here. So they're going to have buttons on them that say manage. So how I got Skyrim up here was it popped up as one of these panels, and in the middle of it, it had a button that said manage. So you just click manage, go back to the dashboard. So this is what the normal user interface looks like once you have a game downloaded. You're not going to see really anything. These are all news. This is pretty much all useless. So right here are tools. So for Skyrim, I like running the Skyrim script extender. So right here, tools are listed. You can add tools. You can change the location of tools. That's how that works here. When you download mods, they'll show up over here in this downloads. I can just go ahead and show you that real quick. So I'll download this right here. Just go ahead and click Mod Manager download and then download right here. And it should automatically start downloading in Vortex. So if I go to Vortex, I can see that it's loading right here. Now that it's downloaded, it's going to give you the option to click install here or here. I just like doing it here because usually if you're working on other things, you can just go ahead and see it. So once it's installed, you can click enable. That'll just make sure that the mod is running in your game, and we can see our list of mods that are enabled here by clicking mods. So these are all the mods that I had on my last Skyrim save. It's just showing them on here, but we can see right here that it's enabled. And then on the plugins, here are the plugins enabled, so it's showing all the DLCs right here. You can turn those off if you want to. So I'll just go back to mods and show you. If you have a mod and it's not working right, or you just want to get rid of it, you can just go ahead and click disable here. And that's just, you can do that temporarily. You can turn them back on, turn them back off. But if you want to completely get rid of it, go over here and click remove. And then for it not to show up like my last downloads, you can click delete archive and that'll just completely get rid of it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with this one. Now that that's all set up and you can see how the mods work, how you launch the game is just up here in this top corner. You can click launch, or if you're launching it through tools on this home page, you can just click launch right here or launch right there and it works fine. So that's it.